Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel if you have been here before, but I very much doubt it. I'm going to be uploading videos all the time now because I've decided that I'm going to be serious with this YouTube stuff because this is what I love to do. I love making videos, I love doing makeup, so I'm going to do it a lot more often here on my YouTube channel. If you like this type of stuff, if you want to see how I created this Chucky look, I know it's not orange here, if you watch the video you'll see why. If you do like this and what I create, I'd love it if you'd subscribe so you can see more, and maybe follow my Instagram, which is _. So let's get into the video. So bit of a difference, I don't know. I'm going to start off this look by tying my hair up, obviously, because this is just going to get all up in my business and get in the way of everything. This is the picture that I am going by. Let's see how this goes. So I'm going to start off by covering my brows. I just use a Pritt stick. I see a lot of people using that funky purple glue. I don't know if that's in America or something because I've never seen that anywhere. My forehead is actually stained, look at that, from the last look I just did. A cheeky little picture of that and video will be on my Instagram very soon. So to cover my brows, I just swipe the glue stick up. You're meant to follow the direction that your hair's growing to get them to like stick down. Like, look at that, it's like flat to my forehead. That's what you're supposed to do. So I'm just gonna do that on both of my brows. And then get a little spoolie. One of these things, if you don't know what a spoolie is. And I brush my brow hairs up towards the direction of which they grow. Oh, I've got an escapee here, escapee brow. Get back in your lane. I then use the Revolution Bake and Finish powder just to set them brows in place with a beauty blender that I only use for that because it is going to get ruined, like pressing into Pritt stick and all that. So you just stamp it on. Look at that, disappearing brow. Where's it gone? And then go ahead and do that a few times. So I'm just going to jump off camera and come back once I've done the layers of exactly what I've just done a few times. Such a pretty look, I know. So I'm using the Revolution Matte Base Concealer in the shade C12. I just like to put this over the top of my brows when I cover them because it's like an orange, so it like cancels out the colour. The colour disappears. I know it's not the same as my skin colour, you don't have to tell me. I did that on purpose. I want it to be like orangey coloured. Obviously I will blend it into my forehead and everywhere. Do you know, I'm the worst person at losing things. I put makeup down and honestly, it's like some little makeup stealing fairy comes in, takes it away, and I never see it again. Just blending that into my head. Okay, the brows are gone. I don't know why I got rid of both brows because on this picture of Chucky, he kind of has one ginger brow on one side and like not on the other side. I don't know. First things first, I'm gonna paint on Chucky's outfit. I like to get that over and done with first because that bit is sometimes a struggle. So I'm using this brush, Royal Soft Group. It's a paint brush, so a face paint brush, but it's from Red Carpet Effects. If anyone has heard of that, I like to get lots of stuff from there. So Chucky's top is stripy. So I'm just gonna start by, goes high up his neck. So I'm just gonna start with a red line. Around the neck. I'm so bad at like multitasking. You see, like, I can't finish a sentence and concentrate. So this tutorial thing, video, whatever the hell it is going to be mostly silent by the looks of it, because I can't paint and talk at the same time. Haven't mastered that skill yet. Let's try. Let's just keep talking just to see how it goes. And you see, it goes uneven. Oh, Anna dropped a sponge on the floor. Everything is just better when I just shut up. So, there's my red little choker. Next, he has like a white line. Oh, don't mix together. I can just feel it coming. No! Right. This line is getting thicker. Right, it's fine, we can work with this, It's just a separation line anyway. This isn't going too bad. This is actually going well. Like, do I already look like Chucky? I think I do. I'm liking this. What is everyone I say, if anyone's watching this video, I'll finish my sentence before I paint because I can't do both at the same time. What is your favourite horror movie? Mine is, I love It. I love It, but my favourite for like scariest is definitely the Insidiouses. Like, they are scary. I like The Conjuring as well. As you can see, the next colour was green. So this is exactly how the colours go. Like, it'll go red again. Well, it's actually going to go white again, green, white again, blue, white, blue, red, red. So I'm just going to go ahead off camera and do that, otherwise it's going to take 100 million gazillion years, and I'll come back to you before I start putting any details or anything on. But this is what I'm literally going to continue to do all down my body. Stripes. But I'm going to leave the gaps where his dungarees come down, so I'll paint where. Let me just, give us a sec, let me do that bit first. So his dungarees are actually dark blue. Oh, I actually have a dark blue here. This is an actual miracle. Let's go ahead and paint the dungaree straps on. Look at them. Things are going strangely well. This looks like a Halloween costume in itself right now. I don't know how to feel about this. That looks... Alright, I'm going to finish this because this look is not pretty. Okay, I'm back. And look at this craziness. Like, I actually feel like I'm wearing a rainbow turtlenecky type thing right now. So, I've got to add a bit of detail to this. Obviously, this top bit is where the collar folds over. So, I'm just going to add some shadow underneath here. Can you see that? Well, it's there anyway, I know it's there. Okay, so that's all shadowed there. Okay, as I've done on this side, I've done like a line running down the dungarees. And that's where like the stitching looks like it is on the picture. Okay, we don't have staples because obviously I'm not all prepared and didn't really look at the picture of the look until I was about to do it. But I have found paper clips. Now if I can just chop these. Do you think scissors can cut through a paper clip? Ah! Oh, I don't think it can. So we're gonna have to draw on staples. I don't know whether to use scar wax. Oh, yeah. Let's go for it, shall we? We are gonna use the Ben Nye scar wax. Oh, conveniently, It's right in front of me. Ben Nye Scar Wax to create my Chucky. So they're quite deep, woundy things. Let's see how this goes. First things first, he's got like a red eye on this eye. So I'm just gonna go in with one of the shades in the James Charles Morphe palette and make this eye look like Chucky's eye. I don't want to blend it too well. I don't want to look like... Is it meant to be like a black eye? I'm sure black eyes are not blended. And then it kind of like goes up into a scar. Up here and up here. I look like Chucky already. Now normally with this, I would blend it out with like Vaseline on my fingers, but I cannot find it anywhere. I've looked absolutely everywhere. So I'm just gonna wing it as usual. I'm gonna start with one going up here. So I've just rolled my Scar Wax into a sausage, into a little sausage shape, and I'm just gonna press it to my head. It's so much easier with Vaseline to like squish it down, but I've just got to go with the flow. For any of you who are watching this video thinking, I'm gonna get some Scar Wax and do this, just save yourself the trouble. Actually, just crack your head open, because no, don't do that, I don't recommend that. But Scar Wax is the actual devil, and it is not that fun to play with. The safest makeup tutorial ever. Maybe don't use scissors, but I'm going to anyway, just because. And I'm gonna just drag them through, making a wound. Use something without a sharp edge. Use a brush or something. I'm just doing this as the quickest way right now that's in front of me, because I can't be bothered to walk downstairs and get something safer. So there is my first. The edges would be so much better blended if I had some Vaseline. It just blends it straight into your skin, you won't see it anymore, and it's gone. Vaseline is great for that. So exactly how I've just done that scar, I'm going to do a few others around my face. Should I cover this big fat spot first? Because to be honest, I don't think dolls get spots, and if I'm trying to be Chucky, I better cover them really. I'm going to use this concealer that I used on my forehead just so my face is all the same colour, you know. I'm just going to cover my whole face with it. This is how easy this Revolution fast-based concealer is though. Like literally, it just is great. I need to get one that's actually the same colour as my skin. But like I said, I did just get this colour so that it blocks out my eyebrows, because orange coloured things are quite good to cover brown. I used to use an orange eyeshadow until I found this. Look how orange I am. Oh well, still cute though. So first, I like the Scar Wax to not be shiny, so I'm going to go over it with the same Revolution Bacon Finish powder that I used to set my brows with, and I'm just going to use an eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to go over the Scar Wax. Now I'm going to go in with my paints, and I'm going to paint on the other scars that I haven't got on my face yet. Get some eyeshadow, going back to my James Charles palette and getting a kind of skin colour and going around the edge of that with a kind of skin coloury colour. Okay, so I changed my mind about the brownie colour and went in with a pinky colour instead. Now I'm going in with a red eyeshadow and just putting it down the middle, you know, like on top of the brown that we initially first put down. Just to make it a bit tinged red, like a scar, like a cut. I was gonna say black, but I don't know whether to do it in black or... I need like a grey. I'm gonna go in with grey. mixing it white and black together, and do like the little stapley things across. I think I prefer the black on top. So these cuts that I have initially done, and I'm going to put brown down the centre in the middle. So I'm just going to go in with that exact same shadow that I used to like make the other cuts and put it on the outside of the scar wax. The last thing I need to do is my hair. This is from the Works if you're in England, and it was £1, so let's see how this goes. What the hell? Oh my god. This is orange. Why is it like smoke like that? Did you see that? Right, it's not coloured anymore, it's just smoke. Really? Hi, I'm Chucky. Wanna play? Cring! If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more. Follow my Instagram where all pictures of looks and little mini tutorials go every single day. I'm going to be posting a lot more on YouTube now because this is what I want to do. So I will see you very soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. This is weird. Bye.